This is a coin called the Saker, S-A-K-E-R, Saker Falcon. All right, that's the national bird of Mongolia. And this was a 2016 release by the Mongolian Wildlife Protection series. It came in this awesome yellow, kind of golden yellow box, and then this beautiful wooden custom box. And the coin is spectacular. It's black velvet. Like all birds of prey, the Saker Falcon has incredible eyesight and can spot prey from miles away. This is the second largest falcon in the world and has unsurpassed aerial hunting abilities and forms amazing relationships with humans. Those are Swarovski crystals for eyes to represent its keen vision from aerial views. The mint used SmartMint technology, and it was issued by the National Bank of Mongolia. It's an actual coin. This is the country coat of arms. .39 pure silver, 38.61 millimeters. But this is what smart minting gets. You just can see these profound textures and details, all kinds of depth and perspective. It's in a capsule, so you're just going to have to appreciate it. Yeah, it's wonderful. It's a great coin. Just wanted to break that out for you. Some of you hardcore collectors, I'm sure, have seen this, but not up close like this. Hope you enjoyed.